Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on September 8th. 1504, Michelangelo's statue of David revealed. On September 8, 1504, Florence witnessed the grand unveiling of Michelangelo's masterpiece, the statue of David. Standing 17 feet tall and carved from a single block of marble, the sculpture amazed everyone with its lifelike detail and perfect proportions. Crowds gathered to admire its beauty, seeing it as a symbol of courage and civic pride. David wasn't just art, it became a statement of strength and youthful spirit. The unveiling marked Michelangelo as one of history's greatest artists. Even today, David continues to leave people in awe. 1565, St. Augustine, Florida founded. On September 8, 1565, Spanish explorer Pedro Menéndez del Vilas founded St. Augustine, the first permanent European settlement in North America. Located on Florida's coast, it served as a key military and religious base. Over time, it passed from Spain to Britain and later to the US today. Its cobblestone streets and old forts still reflect its rich colonial past. 1941, the Siege of Leningrad begins. On this day in 1941, Nazi Germany and Finnish forces surrounded Leningrad, starting one of history's longest and deadliest sieges. For nearly 900 days, the city endured hunger, cold, and constant attacks, yet the people never gave up. Their bravery became a symbol of Soviet resistance. Nearly 1 million lives were lost, but Leningrad's spirit remained unbroken. 1943, Italy surrenders in World War II. On September 8, 1943, Italy shocked the world by surrendering to the Allies during World War II. Prime Minister Pietro Badoglio announced the armistice, stunning both Italians and Germany, their former ally. Across the country, chaos broke out as German forces rushed to take control, while Allied prisoners used the moment to escape. The surrender marked the beginning of Italy's liberation and the collapse of its role in the Axis powers. This decision gave the Allies new momentum in their fight against Nazi Germany. 1966, Star Trek takes off. September 8, 1966, marked the television debut of Star Trek, a show that would become the first episode. The Man Trap introduced audiences to Captain Kirk, Mr. Spock, and the thrilling adventures of the Starship Enterprise. While its first run was short, the show's hopeful vision of the future and stories of exploration captured viewers' imaginations. Over time, it built a loyal fan base and expanded into movies, spin-offs, and conventions. Its premiere on this day forever changed science fiction and pop culture. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.